I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe.
On the go. So what do you think, birthday girl? You happy?
I'm very happy. We always save Homecomin for the end of the trip, and then we regret that because we can't enjoy the whiskey drinks because we don't want to fly home not feeling well. But this
or have
is
to drive to St. Pete.
Yes.
That's always a bad choice too. So we're in the middle of it. It's just the stomach. It's just been a rough couple of days, but hopefully the good home cooking will make a difference and make us feel better. So what did you start with?
Okay, so I'm going to get this right. I started with the Florida Crush. It's Tito's handmade vodka muddled with orange and strawberries, a splash of fresh squeezed Florida orange juice, and agave syrup. I've already cheated and tasted it, and it is like drinking sunshine in a cup.
All right, try it. Good?
That's probably the most delicious, refreshing cocktail I think I've ever had. This is excellent. I really like it. I do like the moonshine smash. It's a watermelon vodka drink, and it's, I think it's vodka. Hold on. I could be lying to you right now. Hold on. It is.
And this one is vodka.
It's the
watermelon?
moonshine mash, and it's watermelon infused moonshine, fresh watermelon, lime juice, and simple syrup. So it is a bourbon or whiskey based drink, most likely.
Where is it on here? Oh,
We've
the
had
moonshine,
it.
yeah.
It's really good. That's another one I would highly recommend. But this is sunshine in a
Really
cup.
good?
Mm-hmm. Very good. Hey Joe, what did you get to drink?
So I got the apple pie a la mode, which is Old Smoky apple pie moonshine, caramel vodka, apple juice, lemon, and cinnamon simple syrup. Oh,
Like it?
very distinct caramel taste.
Really?
Oh my God, that's so good. Yeah, you'll like this one too.
Okay, I
That's,
can't wait to taste it.
yeah, 2 in a row. Really, really good. Let's try your Florida drink.
You'll like that a lot.
Oh my God, that's so orangey.
I know, isn't it like sunshine in a cup?
That's got your daily amount of vitamin C right here.
Yeah.
I like that. That's good. So you got to try the apple pie now.
I will.
Yeah, very caramely, right? So you get very distinct caramel taste, where yours is very distinct orange taste.
And I would have thought this would have been a heavier drink. This is very light.
It's very
too.
light, yeah.
And I taste cinnamon.
Yes. So cinnamon and caramel.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
thumbs up.
That's going to go down really fast and easy.
Yeah, too fast and too easy.
Yeah. So we got the Jasper board off the appetizer menu or the starters menu,
That looks
which
great.
is charcuterie, and it contains an array of southern charcuterie. We've got shaved honey ham, smoked sausage,
I
country
think that's
ham,
underneath.
country ham, pimento cheese, chicken salad, tomato bacon jam, barbecue pickles, candied pecans, crostini, and our house-made crackers.
Wow, that looks so pretty.
That looks really, really good.
Now I'm all for a good charcuterie.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I'm most excited about trying the homemade chicken salad. I have a feeling it's not going to disappoint.
Right, brother? Good? Busy over there, right? Yeah.
Delicious.
Very creamy, very rich. It's made with Duke's mayonnaise.
is where we used to get like the smoked sausage. And,
Okay.
we get our grits from there too.
All right,
Wow.
so everything on that board, freaking fantastic. Everything complemented everything else perfectly. For me, my favorite combo was the smoked sausage with the tomato bacon on the cracker. That was really good to me. What was your favorite?
I love the chicken salad on
Yeah.
the bread, on the multigrain bread, and I love the pimento on the homemade crackers. That board, I mean, we demolished it. There's nothing left. We
So-
never eat all of our food. Ever.
Well, that's all we got. We got the drinks and that. So,
Still.
but even though I'm not super full and I'm not super hungry, but our server Tim, great name. Tim told us about something else and where they get it from, and so I needed to have it. We'll
So we
show.
have one more thing coming out.
Yes, I just couldn't resist. I had to have it. If you know me, you know what it is. If you don't know, you'll know in a second because I'll show you when they bring it out.
Yeah.
So, if you know me, you know how much I love the grits. And Tim said that the Bradley's grits they get from, Jen put the card away, from a place that's up in the panhandle of Florida. I'll get the information, but let's just give this a try and see. He said normally they'll serve it with cheese.
I love both of them.
But I thought, let me just try it without, just as it comes. It looks like it has some chives on the top. It is.
I think they just, it's called
It's not as
creamy.
creamy as Olivia's. It has more texture, but holy cow, that's really good. That is really
And cheese curds.
tasty. It tastes like grits. Nothing else to put in it. They're thicker. So it's not as creamy, just thicker. Very, very good taste. Creamy enough. It's got a good balance. Yeah, I really like this a lot. Well, I'm going to be honest when I say these grits are good. So the grits that I had, that was just the side, but it's the same grits that they use for the shrimp and grits that's on the menu. So really, really good base for adding anything into it. They put some cheese, melted cheese into it, but our server Tim said that the pimento cheese that comes with the Jasper charcuterie board, you put some of that in there, and that just adds more flavor to it. I just love the taste of grits on their own. So again, this is really, really creamy, not as creamy as Olivia's, but creamy enough and enough texture where it was solid and thick. But really, oh my God, fantastic, really good. So we're gonna try to keep this a little lighter today, but just can't stop bringing stuff to the table. Brought the grits, now we're getting something else special for the birthday girl. Wait till you see what she's getting.
And I'm really excited about this because I've always wanted to try it, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. Happy birthday to me.
So, what do you think of the hummingbird cake?
That is good.
Did you have some of it with the ice cream or just a cake?
I'm just gonna do the cake. pineapple and bananas with a cream cheese frosting, and something about a raspberry tea.
Well, the little raspberry, that.
Oh wow,
Good. Yeah. Yeah, it's very tasty.
that's exceptional.
I don't know if it's the best choice right now because it just started to feel better, but that's okay. Whew. All right, well, you know, I was doing really, really well until Tim decided to give you a little birthday present and brought out that cake, which was really tasty,
hummingbird
but
cake.
yeah, that always, anytime I get to the sweets at the end, it's like, oh, it's going to be really good, and then I really regret it. Because we didn't overdo it with the food, I think it was okay.
I thought it was excellent.
Yeah.
It's such a light and refreshing dessert. I don't think it's heavy if you eat the cream cheese frosting, but if you kind of eat around the cream cheese frosting, it's you're able to eat a lot more.
Yeah, it's very.
The cream cheese frosting is very, very rich.
It's very rich.
It's delicious.
Yes.
That whole cake, that whole meal was fabulous. We've come to Homecomin a lot over the years, and we've never, ever had bad food or service.
Right, exactly. I agree. Yes,
I'm going to give it a
always
10
consistent.
out of 10 every time.
So, and then he let us know that Chef Art Smith does have a restaurant in Chicago called Chef Art Smith's
On
Reunion on Grand Avenue.
Grand.
Avenue, right at the start of Navy Pier. So we need to check that out when we get up there.
Yeah, we're definitely going to check
Same
that
as
out.
trying to get to Haleo, downtown Chicago, because we love Haleo so much.
Yeah.
But so this today was a really great birthday lunch for you, I think. It was,
It was.
quite good.
It was a great way to start
Really,
the day.
really enjoyed it. Loved it. I mean, just, it's excellent. Really, really good. Thank God my stomach's feeling a little better, so that's good. So, yes,
I
if
think
you're...
we might run over to Gideon's.
Yeah, possibly. I don't know exactly what I'm going to get that I could eat now, perhaps later.
Or
But
maybe something to drink.
you want that peanut butter, what's
Only
it called?
if we share it.
Yeah, I know.
The peanut butter
cold brew, yeah. But anyway, so Chef Art Smith, if you're here at Disney Springs, make a reservation, get in there. It's excellent. The reputation is warranted. The great reviews are warranted, consistently excellent every time.
Yep. So
Yep.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because we're still in Walt Disney World and we have a lot more to show you, and there's a lot more we're going to do.
And it's her birthday today.
It's my birthday today,
Jenny. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.